And I would love for you to attend my next masterclass. Those of you who are like, oh, I need help. One of my students would see me on YouTube. Her name's Michelle, not the Michelle I just spoke about, but Michelle Bond. She'll see me and she'll say, I need him to start from the beginning. So what did Michelle do? Michelle ended up joining my course for the PMP, got certified about 3 years ago. My goodness, Michelle, 3 years ago. And ended up joining my Leadership Institute. But the real funny thing is she's like, I need him to start all over again. So if you're like one of those people who just sees me midstream on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, and you're like, I need him to start all over again, then you need to be in my training. Okay? Come to my training and I'll help you understand. But for now, I want to show you the enormity of the exam. And I also want to put it in perspective so that you won't feel overwhelmed. Are you ready? Let's go in. Let's go in on this stuff. Okay. If you're getting ready for the PMP exam, there are a number of things you should understand. And number one is PMI's rules of the game. This is in the PMI Code of Ethics and Professional Conduct. That's right. The PMI Code of Ethics and Professional Conduct is what you sign when you're applying for the exam to say, hey, PMI, I've read the rules. I know there ain't no cheating allowed. I know I need to behave myself. I know I need to tell the truth. I shouldn't say, I'm aspiring to be honest. No, I should be honest. So the PMI Code of Ethics has the rules of the game. Second thing you need to know for your exam, and this is huge, is Agile. You got to be agile in life and in knowledge for the exam. So to really firm up your Agile, you must be all over the Agile Manifesto values and principles. You also should have read the Agile Practice Guide. You also should have read about servant leadership, Agile practices. What is a team charter? Not the version in the Agile, no, not the version in the PMBOK guide, the version in the Agile Practice Guide. Because remember, there's a difference between a charter in the world of predictive and what it might contain versus a charter in the world of Agile and what it contains, like definition of done, definition of ready, cadence, and so on. Contract types is also talked about on this exam. From an Agile perspective, you got to know how that works. And then the knowledge areas.